let's see, we're at Walla, what's close? Alright, we are not too far from source of distilled spirits. Switch ourselves to nav mode. Let's get some cargo on this Syulen.
Quantum travel complete.
Keep it in nav mode for a little while so I can see the distance to the location here. Little scan so I can see the terrain below me. Even when I'm not in combat, the biggest enemy is the ground here. Here's our Shady Glen Farms. The entrance is right over.
Landing gear down.
We'll try and use our instruments here to land properly. That's 65, 70, 75, 80.
Landing complete.
Saw some collision alert signs there. Did I hit anything? Ah, I'm good. Turn off those. Alright. Now, I did not see anyone here, but let's take a rifle just in case. And I think I did that last time, didn't I? They opened up the components instead of the and a pistol. Alright, this is not a safe zone. Although hostiles are rare, you know, don't want to take any chances. Alright, before we buy anything from the terminal here, let's see if there's any good loot around. There we go. Oh, now this is a good loot box. Shotgun, but that's okay. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and just put this little piece of armor on here. And P4 AR magazines. I'm gonna go ahead and move the rest here to the inventory. That's kind of a strange assortment of loot there in that box. Alright, we check down there. Alright, then we will select our location. Gatac, Syulen. No idea how to say that right, but we'll see. And now we want the good stuff. Distilled spirits. Carry 6 boxes of cargo. And if I'm understanding this right, it'll be kind of on the outside. Certainly not the first ship we've seen around that carries cargo on the outside. Let's go take a look. Alright, let's put you away. Put the pistol away there. Let's check our inventory here, the local inventory. We need to put that on our back to take out again, to put it in the rack here. Alright. Yeah, probably should have closed that door before I made myself vulnerable. Alright, back up, then we can open our storage bin. Store the rest of the things in there. Yeah, so we got that all stored in our bin there. And let's go find someone that wants some distilled spirits. Alright, then of course remember in the takeoff sequence is go straight.
Launch complete.
The ship is incredibly fast. Alright, pretty much any space station will buy distilled spirits from us. But we got a shopping trip coming up here on Crusader, so let's Let's go ahead and stop at QL1, the station there. Yeah, that's Ambitious Dream Station there. Plot our course. We have plenty of fuel. The Syulen has a massive quantum fuel tank for what's known as a starter ship. Like I said, it's got a lot of non-starter features. First our orbital marker.
Landing complete. Have a pleasant stay.
Alright, we're back. Let's see what kind of hangar to give us. Looks like a regular old hangar. Alright, I'm new to this ship, so getting it in this hangar might be an adventure. Get these landing gear down. Keep my speed to a reasonable amount here in port. Just to be careful, I'm gonna go into the third person view here just to make sure that I don't totally crash this thing. Don't tell me collision alerts. All that glare. Alright, I think I might be in.
Landing complete. Have a pleasant stay.
Landing complete. Okay, not quite. Not quite. That was close. There we go. Get the engines off. Let's go sell some distilled spirits here. Close this door. Oh, yep. The admin office is at most stations. They buy their distilled spirits. Alright, I thought I knew where the admin office was here. Yeah, there it is. And sold. Alright, nothing here that